Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's topic we will discuss about the split by column, the functionality which is available in the Power Query, and we'll see what is the problem we will face when you use the split column, and we'll try to resolve through the same split by column again. So there are two options are there. Let's see. Basically, this is my data. For each customer, there is a purchase city. So this customer has purchased on three cities. This customer has two. This customer has purchased on two cities. So the basic requirement is here in this case is that let me remove the change type. I don't require. So I need for each customer I want to count the number of city they purchased. Simple. Okay. So for that what I need to do, first of all I'll select the purchase city. Then I will go to my split column by delimiter, and it is correctly saying that this is the LF. Okay, the line feed, the next line, the line feed is thing. Okay, so each occurrence of the delimiter and 3. Okay, let's do that. Now I am getting all the columns like this: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai on each and every row. Then what I need to do, I just want to unpivot this one. So select the customer, I click on unpivot other columns. Right, I got it. Now what I need to do, for each customer, I want to count it. Right, I need to group by. That's it. So I will click on the customer, then click on the transform, then group by, yeah, the count of rows only. Count of rows. Okay. So okay. So we are getting customer A0213, and this is 2, this is 2. Let's check the source data. Absolutely fine. Okay, no worries. So this is 3, this is 2, this is 2. You tell that what is the big deal? We are working very correct, right? Let's open the existing source file here. Okay. Here what happened is, on the source file, for the CA102, okay, I'm adding one more city here. Okay, let's take Pune. Okay, so now the first customer is part of 4 different cities. Okay, let me save this file. So ideally, now on my Power Query, this data should come as 4, right? Let me refresh. Refresh all. Refresh. Again, try to do that. Refresh. It is refreshing, but it is not coming. The fourth record. Hey, what's the problem? Let's try to debug from the source. So in the source, go to the navigation. I have 4 rows: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Pune. But when I'm doing the split column, I'm getting only 3. The fourth number city is not available here. This is due to because of, if you edit the formula, it is saying that the number of occurrence should be 3. This is hard coded. So if you give me 4 here, then you will get more than 4. Suppose you have a 5 city, again you need to come here and you need to change it, right? But this is a problem, right? Suppose if it's a very small set of data, in this case it is fine. But just imagine that if you have a very large set of data, and this step could be, definitely it could be missed, right? I can't do come every time. I can't come here and do like this, right? So what is the solution for this? The solution for this is, let's try to duplicate this. I don't want to. This is split by column delimiter. Let's do the duplicate here, and I will say here customer count correct. Okay, just rename this one. Now what I will do, I will just this step I will just remove it. Okay, delete until end from here. Okay, delete it. Done. Now from here, what you need to do, instead of split column by delimiter, instead of doing by column, there is another option we have, that is by rows. Okay, so when you do the rows, by rows is by how many rows you have. In this case I have 4 rows. It will split 4. You have a 5 rows, it will automatically fit, move it to 5. So this, in the rows option, we don't have any something like there is no hard coded value here, right? This is uh, by this one. Okay. Okay, sorry, not by comma. It should be by space only. So let me copy that, the which one it got identified. This is my custom formula. Okay, it should be my line feed actually. Okay, so customer count correct. So instead of rows, I'll say custom by line feed. Okay, each occurrence delimiter by rows here. Okay, let's do that. What happened? Let's again try it. Okay, I'm selecting the wrong column here. Sorry, I should select the purchase city here. Okay, there is a split by, right? Sorry. So by delimiter, it will automatically take the LF, good one. Then I will select now number of column. I will say number of rows. Okay, rows by the split. Now in this case, the good thing is that if you see the previous step, no, after spelling we done an unpivot to do this one. But in this case, we don't require any unpivoting things, right? So now what I need to just go to the group by and count. That's it. Simple. Done. Now let's try to add one more somewhere the data which becomes 5 here. Okay. Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. Let's take alt enter and put Kolkata. Okay. So let me save this file, close this file. Okay. Let's go to this data, home tab, refresh. See, automatically it's coming 5, but whereas in this case it is still at 4 only. So this is the problem when you do split by columns rather than doing by rows. And one more thing also here, I want to more uh, constructive way you can do it here in this case. Suppose what happened is in the customer data, I have some duplicates. Okay, what we were doing by duplicates here. So these are the 5 data are there. Suppose I have another entry, not here. Sorry, I have another entry here, something like, let's take Bangalore on different case, or maybe same case the data got duplicated here, Bangalore. Okay, so here what happened is we save this file and try to refresh here. Okay, so if you just refresh now, it will coming as 6, but actually it is not a 6 actually, because Bangalore is repeating there, right? So what I will do in this case is that after the split by column delimiter, okay, I'll select the purchase city and I will go to the transform tab, whatever the data I am getting. Okay, whatever the data I am getting from the source, let's convert it into either lowercase, uppercase or capital H. Just take one formatting option, based on that just count it. Okay, so I will say based on, let's take in this case I'll take uppercase. Let's go uppercase here. Then what I need to do, select both the columns. Okay, then right click on this and remove duplicate. So both columns needs to be selected and remove duplicates here. Okay, now the change tab will happen. Now if you go to group by, it will be always 5. So if you add anything there, it will not consider. Okay, so this is the overall picture of split by column delimiter or split by row delimiter. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting content like this, and do share it out, and please put on in the comments if any specific topic or any specific scenarios you want to discuss. Please put it in the comments. I'll definitely look into that and make a video out of that. Thank you and have a nice day.